In today's video, I want to show you trend strategy that shows bearish and bullish trend with these green and red lines. Let's go. First, find two indicators. We go to the indicators tab and write trend magic indicator. This one. After adding this indicator, let's go how we use this strategy. Alright, personally I have 3 rules to use this strategy. So first rule, for sell signal we need to see this straight line first. As you see here, bullish trend continues till here, and this indicator's line switches from green to the red, and it's straight from this point in this point, and then we need to see the breakdown will be like this. When we see this type of breakdown after this straight line, I will take here sell position when this candle forms. And where we put the stop, I can put the stop above this line, or I can put the stop above this swing high, and then we should make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or more, and we can take the profit the trailing stop method, because this is the trend indicator and maybe 1.5 R cannot be enough. If you want to know what's trailing the stop method, I can explain now. We took the position here and we put the stop here. Let me make it red, and our target was 1.5, right? Let me make it green. When the prices hit my target, I can put the stop the entry point and I can raise my target like this. The result would be like this. So the third rule is, if we see that good signal for short position, after this short position we don't accept this signal as valid signal. Now we know these whole 3 rules. Let's see examples of this strategy. As you see here, this line switches from red to the green, and according to our first rule, this line is straightforward here. We don't take here position. If we see here breakdown like this, I take here buy position when this candle forms, and I put the stop below this swing low and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or the liquidity or something like this. As you see here, there is red line here, but we don't see breakdown, and we don't take buy position again after this buy position, so we are looking for short signal. As you see here, this line again switches from green to the red, and when we see that this type of breakdown, we take here sell position and put the stop swing high and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or more. So we don't look at here sell signals because we took here sell position. Now we are looking for buy signal. As you see here, there is a straight line, and when we see this type of breakdown, I take here buy position, put the stop below swing low and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or more. After this signal, we again see here straight red line and there is breakdown here. I take here sell position, put the stop the swing high and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5 or more. And then line switch from red to the green. There's a straight line green here, and when we see this type of breakdown, we take here buy position, put the stop below the swing low and make risk reward ratio at least 1 to 1.5, or I can place my target to the liquidity. The signal is also successful. We don't take here sell position because we don't see breakdown like this on the indicator. And if you look at overall signals, this signal is successful. This signal is also successful. There's a stopped positions here as you see here. It's stopped. It's not successful signal here. It's successful signal. It's successful signal. And it's also successful signals. We have here 6 times successful positions in a row, but it doesn't mean that it will always happen. We were so lucky in this video. I backtested this strategy 15 minutes time frame, and you shouldn't take a positions just watching this video. Just apply this strategy. If you want to test this strategy, you can use demo account so that you will not lose anything with demo account. See you guys in the next video.